Welcome back. Well, let's shift the focus now to the commodity markets. As promised, we have Manisha joining in with the latest. Manisha, good morning. So what are you tracking today?
Oh, it's a silver lining to silver, really, because we've seen very strong gains come in for this one. Silver actually is outperforming gold when you look at the last 1 month or YTD numbers as well. There you have it on your screens. So in last 1 month, we've seen gold prices gain up by 3%. Silver is up by 9%. In this year now, silver clearly is taken over on gold. With 32% of gold gains, we've seen silver gain up by 36% there. So when you look at the gold prices, we did see an all-time high in this year, in the first quarter itself. And even at this point in time, gold is trading at around 5-week highs into the markets. When you look at the gold prices, we're just about $60 away from that all-time high of around $3,500 an ounce. We seem to have slipped slightly more from those kind of levels. But when it comes to silver, well, we are trading at a 14-year highs in the international markets, and for the Indian markets, it's an all-time high at around 1,16,000 rupees a kg there. Well, a lot of supportive factors onto this one. To begin with, China has been pledging, talking about a lot of push when it comes to infrastructure projects coming in from the government itself, whether it is in space of auto or electric equipments. And that's exactly where silver usage will go higher. The global silver industrial demand in 2025 is expected to be at record highs. This would be a fourth straight year of industrial demand hitting record numbers in the global markets there. Also, the global gold and silver ratio trading at around 84 or 87 thereabouts is quite supportive for silver buying further from here in as well. The strong silver fundamentals are in case of supply and demand numbers as well. 2025 is the fifth straight year of deficit in the global markets there. The street is also looking at demand and supply numbers for this year, which are on the positive side. So when you look at the demand, it's expected at 1.20 billion ounces, while supply is at 1.05. And there's no carry forward from last year because this is the fifth straight year of deficit, and that clearly is giving support to silver prices there. Also, when you look at the ranges that the silver has put in, you can see it's on the higher highs. In 2023, $19 to $27 an ounce of a silver range is what we saw. It gained up to 22 to 35 in the previous year. And in this year until now, we've seen a higher range of around 29.5 to 39.5 or thereabouts for this year, with street anticipating that you could be looking at higher highs going forward. And that's exactly what most of the banks and brokerages seem to be putting out. From JP Morgan to Bank of America to UBS, $39 to $40 an ounce is an expectation of an average silver price for 2025. And that just continues because when you look at the other banks like Citi, Stancy and Saxo Bank, they're also talking about 40. We're not too far away from there, but 40 of an average is what they're talking about. So if we've done 29 and 39 is where we're trading at right now, markets do believe that you could be looking at 42, 45 on the higher side before this year ends.
Okay, so silver continuing to sparkle and shine. Thanks for that, Manisha. Well, with that, we're coming back to the equity market. The mid-cap correction